Hi, this is Johnny. I just want to show you this real quick. I went and put on the heatsink copper and then another one right there, or the black one, just to be safe. The little one, I don't have that small, so I didn't put anything. And I also went and put on the safety shutdown, and also trying to see if this thing actually worked. Okay. And by having the correct SD card and everything plugged in, and since I don't have the fan sitting on top of the copper, I went and put this big fan here to blow on the cool air into it so that it won't overheat. Now if you are testing and doing the Raspberry Pi, I recommend at least put a heatsink and have some kind of fan blowing on it, because this thing does heat up very quickly and you don't want to damage your Raspberry Pi. Okay, so I want to go ahead and turn it on, and I haven't configured anything yet, but I just wanted to put that on before I start, and just to show you that this fan does work in the light. The fan is spinning. You hear that? Because I'm touching the fan, stopping it from spinning. So the fan does work with this machine on this one, Raspberry Pi 4. So that you work on 3 and 4, and the sound is coming up. So I went and plugged in joystick 1 at the bottom, joystick 2 on the top on the fast speed size, and then my keyboard's on top and my trackball is at the bottom. Okay, and then there's my network. So I want to go over that too real quick before we go and jump into the software side. So joystick 1 is at the bottom, joystick 2 is on top, and then trackball is at the bottom, and the top one is the keyboard. Okay, so when I finish with the keyboard, I can unplug that. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and let it run. Let me move this over. Make sure I'm sitting there. Let me go ahead and try the shutdown. I haven't configured anything yet, and let's see if the shutdown will automatically work. It looks like it's working because I don't hear any sound, and this thing's off. So let me go ahead, turn it on once. You have to do it twice with this button. Okay, so you press it twice to turn it back on. So we should be hearing some music coming up. Yep, so the shutdown button work. Okay, so that will be on pin number 5 and number 6, and this shutdown button, you have to crisscross one of the pin in the middle to make it work, the same way like you did with the arcade button that I did a video on. This is the same way. You have to have one of the pin crisscross in the middle to make it work. Well, now you can't really see it. I can't even see it. Let me see. Yeah, this one right here, the number 8 in the middle had to be touching each other. Okay, in order for it to work. So it's not focusing. I don't know if you can see it. See, there's a little. All right, let's go to the front. If you really have questions on how, just ask me and I'll give you the correct information. All right, let's go to the front and check it out.